Hello besties, I am back from my vacation and my hair grew 10 inches in that week. What can I say, man? That Dominican water. But as much as I absolutely loved these nails, it is unfortunately time for them to come off. So I am about to have a very painful hour because if you know anything about the Keye solid glue, this stuff is literal cement, so very fun to take off. However, I do have a work thing, so I need very basic clean girl nails, and that is a great time for me to try this glue that my bestie Kat sent. And this is from her own press-on brand, EIKON. She sent me this one to try along with the SDS, which I have completely misplaced, but you can ask her for one. The primary ingredient is ethyl cyanoacrylate and then polymethyl methacrylate. I have been absolutely obsessed with these semi-solid glues lately because when I used the Curve Life glue, they lasted me a full 7 days and I had to file them off. So I'm thinking this one will be the same, if not better. And honestly, these glues are so amazing that they make me want to switch to press-ons full time. But y'all know how much I love doing nails, so I don't think that will be the case, but these do make press-ons so much better. Anyway, let's just get into it.
And make sure you stay to the end for a big announcement.
Let's get one final look at these beauties. I am so sad to be taking these off. I love them so much and they held up incredibly well. All right, let's crack a cold one and get started on this very annoying removal. Not on my keyboard this time, and also not sponsored. But Olipop, I would absolutely accept one. My MelodySusie cordless dust collector finally kicked the bucket, so today we are trying this one by Woput. Anyway. This is such an interesting concept because it does this so all the dust stays contained, which I absolutely love. I'm always preaching to you guys the importance of a good dust collector. I also wear an N95 because if there's any uncured dust and you breathe it in, that is going to inflame your lungs, especially if you already have an allergy. So let's cut this bad boy on. I'm going to be removing with my Coupa Mani Pro and this cone bit extra coarse in at 30 RPMs. All right, let's crank her up. Woo! Oh man, this is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that, the dust flying right to the collector. See all that pink dust? I don't know if you guys can see the dust because I can't see it. I don't know if the camera's picking up the dust because I can't see it as it's coming off, but obviously it is picking it up. Look at all that pink dust there. This is incredible. You can even see some over here, so it is keeping it contained. This is so much better than my old MelodySusie. Absolutely love this. Highly recommend it. This will be in my storefront and I'll link it below for you guys. Y'all, when I tell you I've been filing for over 10 minutes and look how thick they still are. This is such a pain to get off, but no greenies, which is my biggest fear when I'm spending literally days in the water. And that's why I chose to use this cement and it worked.
And of course, I lost the rest of the footage of me making these press-ons, but look at this stunning Rory JSM guava-like cat eye. Anyway, the important part is how long they lasted.
Besties, we are back. Guess how long it's been? 3 weeks. Wow. And honestly, I am so sick of staring at these already that they are still on, but I am going to take them off. And it's a great time to try if the remover actually works. Now, this is not Kat's remover. I don't think she sells a remover, but they're kind of a universal thing for these glue-like removers. I am going to be using the Curve Life one, because I'm very curious to see if it actually works. I did finally have one pop off yesterday at 3 weeks. Not bad at all. All right, let's see if this remover works. So you're supposed to be able to kind of just put this on. Granted, these have been on for 3 weeks, so this should work pretty quickly. All right, we're gonna give that a few minutes and I'll be right back. They're already starting to pop off. At least this one did. We're gonna get the needle in there and get some more of the remover inside. So ideally, I'm trying to just lift them a little tad bit so that I can get more of the remover where it needs to be, which is in here. This one is also coming off. And again, you want to be very gentle. Okay, so it's been maybe 5 minutes.
We're gonna try, oh, okay, that came right off. Nice. This one seems to be as well. Again, I'm trying to be very gentle here. I think this one needs a little more. Let that sit. This one needs more. And this one is just not budging. Okay, it's been about another 4-ish minutes. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I think I would have been done by now if I just used my e-file, but yeah, this isn't, either my prep is just that amazing, because again, it's been 3 weeks, so yeah, I'm giving up on this. It took off exactly 1 nail. Let me try the ones on this hand. Okay, this one's lifted, but the rest of the nail's not budging. Yeah, I'm gonna just clip these off because, pro tip, if you want to make your phone case extra grippy, yeah, this will do it. All right, besties, as promised, I had a big surprise for the end, and here it is. I am doing my 20K, I can't believe I'm even saying that out loud, 20K giveaway over on the Clock app. I was just speaking on the importance of a good dust collector. Can you guess what I'm giving away? That's right. This is the Macart Dultrubix dust collector. It is a dual dust collector, has amazing reviews, and this is not a collaboration with Macart. I did buy this myself. You will also be getting, although I don't currently have it with me, the Attain Starter Kit. It's one of my favorite things to do for a giveaway because this will give you everything you need to start doing your nails as safely as possible. The Attain Kit comes with their lamp, a color of my choice, which I picked red this time around, the base, the top, and some other extra goodies. Y'all know giveaways are my favorite part of this, so I love every time that I get to do them. I did buy both things myself, and this has a value of over 200 doll hairs. The rules are very simple. Of course, first be following me on the Clock app, repost the video, tag 2 besties, and tell me your favorite brand. And if you say Beatles, you're disqualified. I'm just kidding. You can say whatever you want. The winner will be chosen at random. All right, besties, that was all for this one. I will announce the winner over on the Clock app once I hit 20K. Overall, I am obsessed with this glue, and I'm so happy that I finally found a good way to do press-ons that makes me actually want to do them. As you can see, the retention is incredible, and this glue is actually more affordable than the Curve Life glue, and you're supporting not only a small business, but just an amazing human being. And if you know Kat, you know what I'm talking about. As always, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.